Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm in beautiful North Point here under the Eastern Corridor in Hong Kong, and look at that gorgeous sunset there. And I'm near the Hotel Vic on the harbor, a very beautiful new development here in Hong Kong. And I just want to show you guys a new fitness band that I'm testing, and you guys have put me onto it, so thank you to all you who did. It's none other than the Honor Band 5. There it is, and your first look of Frankie Tech of the Honor Band 5. Oh yeah. Now, I wasn't planning to pick this Band 5 up, but it's now available at CityLink. I got this for around 299 Hong Kong dollars, so just over like 40 US dollars, and it is a very interesting fitness band. It's definitely on the cheap side, similar to the Mi Band 4, almost an impulse purchase for most of you guys, and I think it brings a lot to the table here, but I do want to compare it, most importantly, to the Mi Band 4. And so let's go ahead and find that in my pocket there. One-handed reviews, guys, they are not easy. So I'm just gonna leave you with that beautiful sunset just for a second. And so guys, just so you know, I will be doing that drain test very soon, but thank you for answering the poll. I've decided to not include the Honor 9X Pro in this drain test. It's just too much work, and it's so funny because I asked the guy, there it is, there's the Mi Band 4 and the Honor Band 5. I asked the guy basically, hey, can you confirm that this Honor Band 5 will work with any phone? And he was like, yes, it will. And I was just like a breath of fresh air. You know, here's a Huawei Honor device that actually works with any single phone. And I actually just had this paired to my iPhone, and I'm gonna pair it to my iPhone. I may pair it to the K20 Pro, but I have no actual working Honor phone to test it with. So anyway, we'll have to deal with that. But let's compare these two right here. The Honor Band 5 and the Mi Band 4. Both very similar devices in terms of their setup. I think I like the kind of just the front of the Mi Band 4 a little bit better. This kind of circular ring, it's not my favorite. I mean, it's not too bad, but I do also like the wallpaper on the Mi Band 5 a bit better than just the look on the Honor Band 5 over the Mi Band 4. Now, both of these devices are very small, so this entire kind of like strap, you're going to be able to take on and off and replace it with different straps, and it should be very replaceable. And I even saw this red one there that I wanted to buy really bad. It looked really good. The sights and sounds of Hong Kong, guys. At this point, you should just expect police and sirens all around. We're doing okay in this part of town though today. And then the other thing I kind of like also about the Mi Band 4 over the Honor Band 5 is that it's just a nice circular look. I don't know if I like this kind of, I guess it's this kind of like squared off edge there. It's not really fluid. It's not as fluid as I'd like. Now let's move away the Mi Band 4 and let's kind of take a deeper dive here on the Honor Band 5. Now I do have it set in Chinese right now. I'm gonna hopefully get it set to English. I think it should. I'm gonna ask my wife to help me set this up, but you can clearly see settings, you have Alipay there, and you have the workouts. And the workouts are probably going to be very similar to the ones that you see on the Mi Band 4, from running to treadmill to elliptical, swimming. Now this is rated for 14 hours of battery life, so that's the other thing I really want to test, and it is waterproof, you know, similar to the Mi Band 4. So this Honor Band 5 is going to be on my wrist as well. I'm going to be putting this probably right next to my Apple Watch. Dude, the Apple Watch is... And listen, I know you guys aren't huge fans of the Apple Watch, but the Apple Watch, its only Achilles heel is battery life. These bands and these kind of fitness bands, they have killer battery life, but their usage is very limited. You know, I get phone calls on the Apple Watch. I literally do everything on this Apple Watch. It is an incredible device, but when you compare it next to this Honor Band 5, this thing just is more of a kind of a subtle wearable, whereas the I mean, if I could coin a phrase, the Apple Watch is more of an active wearable, and these fitness bands are more like kind of passive wearables. You don't really check these very often. You're not using these all the time. But the beauty is that they have these very nice AMOLED displays, and let's zoom in there. You see it there. It's got a very nice AMOLED display. And sorry for the focus here, guys. It's getting dark. But I think this band is a clear competitor to that Mi Band 4. I think these live separately to the Apple Watch, and they're really not competing in the same space. The Apple Watch is doing its own thing, but the Mi Band 4 and this Honor Band 5 are kind of living in their own space. So hit me up in the comments. Obviously, the main comparison I want to do with this is versus that Mi Band 4 very soon, and just kind of give my take on it. I know some people have reviewed this device already, but I want to, check it out. And considering I can't really review Honor phones the way I can review this device, I want to just keep trying to do that. I'm trying Honor, because there's a lot of great devices that Huawei and Honor are making. It's just because of this Google ban that is just infuriating, that I just cannot really give their phones the real kind of attention that they deserve. I just can't do it. So anyways, stay tuned. But that's it. Your quick look of the Mi Band 5 there. There is the beautiful sunset. And thank you for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. So you know what's next. I don't have to tell you. And to all you guys thinking this was the drain test, don't comment. Don't be disrespectful, guys. You realize how long drain tests take to make? They take a long time. I'm starting tonight. I'm going into tonight. I'm doing the standby, and I'm going into tomorrow. So it's going to take me like 2 days to do that drain test. So really just bear with me. And to all you guys who just disrespect in the comment section, you just get banned. So just don't bother. Really just don't bother. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Leave you now with one last shot, in focus shot, that beautiful sunset. Just gorgeous.